So here on Utopia the Seas, they have destination elevators. We're going up to Central Park, so we're going to hit the 8, and it's going to tell us elevator A, which is right here. And here it comes. And let's see who's getting on, getting off. Assuming all of them are getting off. Everybody smile, we're on a cruise, happiness. No? Okay. So, no buttons to hit here. You've already hit the button, you have no choice. And we're heading up to 8. See, next deck 8. Right there, next deck 8.
Deck 8. Doors opening.
And here we are in Central Park.
Doors closing.
This is where most of your specialty dining. Central Park, we have some retail, high-end retail, of course. Watches. And we're gonna swing on over. Let's see what we got over here. Amazing, all these plants. They got one person just for that. Takes care of all the plants 24/7 or as needed. So over here we got this Park Cafe. Yes, it is. We're over here at Park Cafe. Let's see what they got inside Park Cafe. You can come here for, if you don't want to do the windjammer, you can come here for breakfast. But right now they're serving lunch. And let's see what they got. So here you got some grab and goes. Just ask them whatever you want. Deli sandwiches. You can come here and get their world famous, hello, how are you? Roast beef. Hi. And you got desserts. And you can come here and get a fresh salad made, whatever you like. And over here you have included your lemonades, fruit punches, iced tea, water. Then you have your coffees.
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Once
All that
again, welcome
included.
aboard the beautiful Utopia of the Seas. As you're making your way around the
You got
ship,
seating over here.
home away from home. Don't forget, if you haven't already done so, make sure you download the Royal Caribbean app. Free to download, free to use. All you have to do is go to Wi-Fi, then go to Wi-Fi guest Utopia, go to login.com, and then connect for free. If you need a little assistance,
Continuing
you can
our
go to the
tour
booth desk
of Central
or
Park.
the digital desk up on the Royal Crown at Deck 5. Also, we are visiting beautiful Port of Coco Cay, and you can get ready at the Royal Caribbean Shore Excursions, or you can book your adventure right on the Royal app. If you need assistance, shore excursions, that's located on Deck 6.
Over here we have the trellis bar. Cheers, everybody. Cheers, cheers.
Shipboard phone, or you can book today in person by visiting the dining venue of your choice. For those of you who have not pre-purchased your beverage package, you can still do so at any one of our open bars. Make sure to take care and take advantage
ABC,
of
always be
today's special,
closing.
where you can get a lot of money off the deluxe beverage package. It's 2 buy 1 and get 1 60% off. If you haven't already
And over here we have Chops Grill.
Wi-Fi at sea, powered by Starlink. Just connect your phone or smart device to Wi-Fi Guest Utopia. Go to login.com to get started, or you can get assistance just next to the guest services desk on Deck 5. Also, make sure you visit the Vitality Spa and Fitness Center. It's located on Deck 6. They're going to be having.
There they are. They're relaxing while I'm working. It's okay. I said they're relaxing while I'm working, but it's okay.
On a raffle where you can win $500 in spa services.
Over here we got 150 Central
Thank
Park.
you very much for your kind attention, and also want to let you know you can book all the shows.
And this
right
is
over
the
the
Rising Tide
Royal
Bar.
app's been developed, so you don't have to stand in line.
That travels
But if you need a
between
little
the
assistance,
promenade and
today
Central
is
Park.
today only at the
Sit
box
on there,
office.
have a drink,
Assistance for booking your
and
show
go up.
reservations.
I think it goes every half an hour
It's located
through most
right
of the
next
day.
to Starbucks on Deck 5. Once again, welcome aboard.
Thank you.
As soon as you wake up.
Find the buffet.
Put it back. Refilm.
Excuse me. See all the hidden animals that they got here. Some seating. At night they will have jazz and other, relaxing nighttime music. Over here you got Izumi in the park. You can walk up and just grab, request. You also have the ice cream bubble cones. And over here we have the hibachi, which we will be doing tonight. And then over here, you got, as we circled all the way around Central Park, you have the Izumi sushi. We'll go in the front door, not the side door. And on all the other Oasis ships, this is usually Jamie's. Hello, how are you?
Good, sir.
Very good.
Have a look, sir.
Oh, thank you. So this is the sushi side. Like I said, hello. Good, how are you? And usually this is on the other ships, Jamie's
Jamie's and vintages.
and vintages, yes.
Yeah.
So here on this ship, is basically doubled the size of Izumi and hibachi.
Izumi, omakase.
Oh yeah, the omakase, I forgot about
Sushi,
that.
omakase. There's a window.
Yes,
in
the walk
park,
up,
and
yes.
then a hibachi.
So
Four,
if you love
total
sushi,
four.
this is the place to be. So thank you.
Welcome, sir.
And for lunch we'll be going to Giovanni's, which is all the way up there. So that's it for Central Park. My name is Chris. This is Prescribed Adventures, your perfect dose of exploration, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.